What's up, guys? Samunani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing good. How long has it been? 2-3 days? It's been like a week at best. I think it's been like a week. I think it's been like a week, right? Which brings us to today's video. So we're gonna be customizing some Vans, some slip-on Vans today. Canvas slip-on Vans. I'll show you the shoes that we are gonna be doing. It's these shoes right here. And the paint is kind of like worn out. I didn't seal the shoe on purpose, guys. The reason why I was gonna come back to it and do some type of an artwork on it, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. But can you guys please stick to the end of the video? Let's go. Let's start customizing. I mixed the GAC along with the Angelus flat white at a 50-50 ratio and apply the mixture onto the canvas of the shoe with dry tiles in between just to get rid of the black squares for about 30 coats. Okay guys, finally down with the custom. Let me show how does the custom look like. But first I want to start with the left shoe. I decided to go with the cartoon sitcom The Simpsons, guys. So now the reason why was because of The Simpsons was kind of complex for me to do. You will understand when you see the right shoe. Let me just take you through the left shoe. Now the left shoe, I decided to do like the sky blue theme and along with the clouds. And I decided to keep the pattern onto the shoe. The border is white. It used to be black, but now it's white. The reason why white, because of I wanted the Simpsons to pop out, you know. Now going into the right shoe. Now you know how I customize, guys. What I do on the left is not what I do on the right. But the thing about the right shoe is that it's totally different, but then it speaks to the left shoe. And here we are. Now, here's it right here. This is the family. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that I didn't show this on camera. To do your own stencil like this right here, you gotta make your own stencil. I have a video out about how to make your own stencil. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below. I don't know about you guys, but I think I was able to do Homer, Marge, Lisa, Maggie, and Bart pretty amazing. It came out pretty amazing. But let me know what you guys think about it. Oh, and also Homer's donuts too, along with the sprinkles. If you guys can notice, the sprinkles are there too. So thank you guys so much for watching till the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think about the customs. If you have any questions about the paint work, about the artwork, just let me know. Follow me on my socials, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.